YouTube.
Hi,
This
YouTube.
is Brianna's channel.
Next channel.
This is our resident Hollow Queen. Can you say Hollow Queen?
This is a resident Hollow Queen.
That's what you did to me in the last video. In the name of Jesus Christ. Hi guys, welcome back to the 31 Days of Halloween. I'm your Hollow Queen, and we have a Hollow Prince and another Hollow Queen.
Ooh.
So today we are doing this look, and I'm gonna zoom in and kind of show you and let Natalie tell you all about this looky look.
All right, tell them about the look. Tell them about Mama's face.
Mommy's face is rainbowy.
It is rainbowy.
David Bowie rainbowy?
Not today,
Not today,
but I love that. I have been feeling very passionate lately about LGBTQ rights, and on my personal photography page, I'm doing a 31 Days of Creatures, where every day I do a different mythical creature, spooky creature, whatever. You can go check it out. It'll be a glow photo. I'm sure Brianna will.
I'll link you below.
Thanks, girl. You want those fruit snacks?
The fruit snacks. Are you gonna pop it?
Ready?
I don't.
Oh!
There you
There
go.
you go.
So yeah.
It's so loud. Okay. Anyway, I've been trying to figure out what to do for fairy, because fairies are very iconic. Did I want to go Tinkerbell? Did I want to go mythical woodland fairy? Did I want to make little shoes? You know. But the more that I've been thinking about LGBTQ rights, I was reminded that fairy has become a derogatory term in the gay community, or towards the gay community, and I wanted to take that back and reclaim it as a mythical fairy mourning the loss of all our LGBTQ brothers and sisters and non-binary friends who, you know, have felt pressured into suicide or staying in the closet or whatever it is where they feel like they can't live their true selves. Because fairies are dope. They're magical and mythical and amazing.
Can I get a hallelujah?
And it shouldn't be an insult.
Yay! Well, thank you so much for teaming up with me for
Thank you.
this amazing look and everything. She's a lot more articulate than I am. I can't speak. You know this. Anyway, thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. If you want to learn how to do this look, keep
Stay
watching.
tuned.
Look into the eyes of Natalie. You are safe. Everything is happy. You are calm. I would like to point out that this was like sped up, so she did that for a hot minute. Anyway, we are getting started, of course, with a fresh coat of foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible, and I'm not sure what shade, or like there's 3 different types of Infallibles, I'm pretty sure. So I'll link that in the description below. I started applying it using a sponge, but found out that the brush was a lot better and a lot smoother, so I switched to a brush, which like literally never happens. I always prefer a sponge over a brush. So, you know, things happen. Makeup's crazy. You gotta roll with the punches. Anyway. Now I am applying Shape Tape Concealer. I'm blending that in using a brush, and it is very flawless. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I will see if that's in the description below too, but like, just stay tuned.
sent you the information for my drag friend.
Oh.
You tap the row with more strawberry.
Get out. Just kidding. Video's over. That's how you do foundation.
Oh no.
Now I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me powder to powder everything and set the base right nice. Isn't she pretty? All right, now I'm going to apply a pretty adorable eye look. I'm using very fall colors. I wanted to keep it more on the orangey purpley shade range. So I'm just applying a smoky eye like that. For this look, you can literally do anything or even nothing to your eye and you'll still get the same result. And now for a commercial break from our sponsor, Julian. Tell them the commercial.
What up?
Hot tip while we're here. If you're applying a shimmer or a shimmer. I don't know what else. A shimmer, use a finger to apply it or wet a brush, but even if you wet a brush, your finger's like way better. And then blend it in with a fluffy brush into the rest of the matte shades. But a finger is the best. Right, babe? Oh my gosh. They can't see you. Now we're putting on a coat of mascara. I'm using the Lash Paradise. This is seriously the best mascara ever. Jump down in the link below. You can get it for like $8. Now I'm concealing. I'm contouring her, and we're doing a pretty harsh contour because I wanted this look to look rough, like rough on the edges, you know? So I'm applying a dark contour, very condensed, and then I'll be blending it out with the lighter contour shade. And now I'm applying highlight to one side of her face. I just thought it would be a nice effect if we didn't highlight the side of the face with the black drips. Now I'm taking the Floral Bloom blush palette. That's always such a tongue twister. And I am applying that to her nose, on her cheeks, and on her forehead. There's some little tots trying to get in right now. They're so cute. Now put on a bib.
Can you imagine if I have all my card over to all those ladies right now?
Good conversation. Anyway, so you're gonna take the Remember Me palette. You're gonna mix out the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple into a little bit of water. And when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit. And I just took a spoolie and kind of scraped it out of the palette. And then you mix it in the water, and then you just take that and drip it on the face. So now we're on to orange. You kind of have to you can't just put it there and then leave. You kind of have to work it in a little bit. And I super hate that we're dumb and we didn't do this facing the camera. But, you know, you live and you learn. Also, her bib is getting a little damp. Oop, there was a hair. There we go. Just put the whole roll of paper towel right under yourself. Now you can kind of see what we're doing too better, so you're welcome. What can I say except copyright violation? All right, now I'm applying the blue off of camera that you can't really see. and now purple. If you do this, kind of map out how you want the tears. I was okay going outside of her water, like outside of where her eye stopped, but if you want to keep it all like under where the eye is, make sure that you're doing small enough sections that you're gonna get every color in. And now cleanup time. Now taking the black, I'm just dripping the same, except for it's a lot easier and a lot faster because I'm doing the whole space in one color. But look how cool that looks. Those eyebrows. Now clean up, make sure everything's done dripping. You can have it drip down onto your neck. You can like have it drip as far as you want. You can drip it on your clothes. But I decided that I wanted it pretty clean, so I'm taking the sponge that I applied foundation with and kind of cleaning up everything. Now I'm filling in her eyebrows with a dark shade. Really, she only needed a little bit on top. Now I'm going to be adding a rainbow onto her eyebrow. So I'm just going to take the Roy G. Biv, but without indigo, and applying like tiny little dot lines right under her eyebrow. The more rainbows, the better. What is happening with my husband talking during my voiceover right now? What's up? Anyway, so that's a really cool little eyebrow thing. If you just wanted to do a little eyebrow, that's really fun. But on the other eye, I wanted to kind of keep it concise. I don't know what word I'm looking for. So I just put black right under her eyebrow, and her son was running around and hitting the tripod. That's why she was like, "Bri." So funny. Anyway, she found these amazing eyelashes, which were so fun. So they had like a weird green in between the blue and purple, so we just cut that part out and then applied the purple next to it. Also, I don't know why, but this eyelash, like the red was on the outer corner and the purple was on the inner corner, so I just switched it, so it kind of looks a little like backwards, but it's fine. And then I'm going to be applying a black lipstick using a Q-tip because sanitation. Also, I found out that a Q-tip is like the best way to apply a lipstick today. So if you're applying to someone else and you're always having problems with like the application, or try Q-tip because it was pretty good, and then you just never have to like dip twice. So sanitary. Also, this is a foundation shade, not like a lipstick shade. What up? SpongeBob! Wait, who does that? Now I'm just applying a wispy to the other eye to keep that like fake eyelash thing cohesive, concise. And there you have it, a rainbow fairy.
Peace out, Gypsy at the mama.
That's the best outro. I'm not saying anything. That's it. Bye.